Hey guys, this is broker owner Dan Grimm of Lake Breeze Realty. I'm here at a brand new listing that goes live today, and we are at 217 Woodburn Drive, Unit D here in Waukesha, Wisconsin. I'm just coming through here, and you can feel free to check out on our website and on MLS. It is going to go live later today. So this is the downstairs when you walk in. It is an end unit. And then here is the half bath on the main floor. We have an open concept kitchen with a dinette right here. Plenty of cupboard space. And then it leads out to the backyard, where there's one space, one private garage space for you, and then one spot assigned as well. Now we're gonna go upstairs. And right when you get upstairs, the laundry room is covered, but if you open it up here, we'll show you. That's where the laundry's at, right in there. Here is the upstairs full bathroom. And then here is the master bedroom. As you can see, there are dual closets in both bedrooms. Here's the second bedroom. One closet there. And another closet there. Thanks so much for checking it out, guys. Feel free to check out LakeBreezeRealtors.com to check out more. Have a great day.